really slippery out here.
Yeah.
It's wet.
Kinda can't see a little bit.
Yeah, maybe you turn on like your headlights.
See if that works. They're not working.
Dang.
Wait. Look, can't see anything. No.
Nothing like a midnight driving.
It's pretty dark out here.
Yeah. And maybe we should turn on the lights to see where we're going.
Wait.
What the?
What's that?
What's going on?
Wow, this is the only place in town that's abandoned.
Guys, I don't think this is a good idea.
No need. Let's go explore.
If you say so.
This is a dump. I don't think this is a good idea.
Hey, it looks fun to me.
Guys, I think I hear voices.
I think you're just hearing stuff too.
Maybe, but I don't think this is a good idea still.
There aren't any ghosts around here.
We'll be fine.
We'll
you
be
don't know
fine,
that.
Yeah.
It's cool.
This is a nice place to sleep.
Guys, there's something weirdly familiar about
Did
this
you guys
place.
used to live in this area?
I think
Wait.
so.
I think I remember this. Wait, let's go to the builder's lounge.
Wait, this is our old school.
Yeah.
The Builder's Lounge. That must be necessary.
What is that?
It's like a really fun place.
No, we shouldn't go there.
No, we have
wouldn't
to.
it-
Bad idea.
Wouldn't Wouldn't it be like abandoned?
No, but yeah. Well, let's still go. Let's check it out at
It's
least.
not gonna be. Whatever.
Yeah, maybe it's actually not abandoned.
There must be 1 million bags up in here.
But it doesn't really look that bad.
I mean, look, there's still the old chairs that we used to sit on.
Guys, this place is kind of weird. It's also kind of nice though.
I bet this place is pretty nice.
Well, I haven't been here so long. That's the only problem.
What is this?
Guys, where did Max go? Oh my
What's
gosh.
going on? I can't see where I'm going.
I bet. Alright, nice. Let's go look over here a little. Where is he? Hey, what's this?
This is
Oh,
crazy.
it bit me. Guys, I think we should get out of here.
Yeah. We gotta get out of here.
That's real. But it feels like something's watching us. Our every move. Guys, I feel kind of weird. What do you mean by that? I don't
Yeah.
know. No. Do you know where Cameron went?
I have no idea.
Do you need help getting up?
Yes.
Alright, I think we should start looking for him. Maybe over that way?
Yes.
Alright, let's go. So weird.
You've been hit by a smooth criminal.
You good? I still feel like there's something watching us or following us.
Yeah, I'm not so sure nothing's following us.
That's true. What are you doing? No! What do you want from us? What do you want?
Well, do you know why we took you here?
To gather all of your sophisticated brains.
You see, all of you have special minds. Cameron, you have a math brain.
And you can jump high.
Yeah, lunch. Max, you're very good at science. And Devin, you have the grammar of a god. All of you together.
Make superhero Titan Man.